Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd give you a look at my entryway and how it looks 1 year later after my home has been completed. And I also decided to let you guys see a small refresh that I did in the entryway by changing the light fixture. While I do love this light fixture, I think that it's a little too small for the space, and it also is just one light. So this area, as you can see, is not well lit, so having additional lighting I think would do a better job in this space. So removing this light was fairly easy, no problems at all, but keep watching because I did run into a couple of things while installing the new light fixture. So you'll see what I ended up doing to get it installed correctly. And I would love for you guys to stick around to the end of the video to let me know what you think about the new light and which one you liked better, the first fixture that I just removed or the new one that I'll be installing shortly. So as you can see, the wiring that came with the light was really long, and I had to get it all untangled and then just simply attach it to the wires in the junction box, right? Simple enough, but unfortunately, after looking at the wires attached to the light, I realized that they are both the same color. There's no black, there's no red, no white. So after contemplating just figuring it out on my own and taking a shot at it, I decided maybe that's not a good idea. Google is our friend. So after Google confirmed for me that the smooth wire connects to black and the ribbed wire connects to white, I was ready to go, finalize this project, and get the light fixture completed, or so I thought. So what I ended up having to do was disconnect the wires again, trim the excess wires, strip them, and reconnect them again so that the light would hang at the length that I wanted it to. Then when that was finally done and reconnected, I was able to put the cover on and finish up. And here's the finished product. I like the way that the black looks against the white walls and the white door. I think it really brings out the console and the black mirror in that space, and I definitely like having 3 lights rather than just one in that space. So drop me a comment below, let me know what you guys think. Do you like this fixture better or the other one that was up? And thanks so much for watching. As always, I hope you'll come back and take a look at future videos to see what else has changed in my home since my 1-year completion date. Thanks so much. See you next time.